就变咗啦，都變咗啦，都 hi，變咗第一次Michigan，變咗冇Michigan luôn rồi，
tôi tôi trong mong Michigan luôn rồi, lúc nào chỉ
mình cả luôn rồi. Bây giờ bắt tôi mà lừa tôi nào hắn tôi mình cả nhớ kinh tới nữa tôi lấy tiền nó cho tôi mua tiêu thịt kệ mua Michigan nhá bị tí hả muốn đi mông hả I don't know how many acre what did we say 50 bé lo yo mông mà chờ mua cho tôi mà lừa nhá pu bé thế chỉ bỏ đuôi chị
No, because we was like, we need to go buy liquor, and then he said, okay.
Nhà lâu chỉ lâu tuần xài tí tuần xài nữa qua trong nó nhóc bị phong chứ gì nhóc bị té nó chứ gì yêu đã yêu cái yêu ở liền tuần đã nó mà không có tuyệt tiền chuột tí tụi nó chứ không có tuyệt tiền nó bây giờ gì mua cho apple cho pear gì mà lưới ra tỏ lò nên sao tôi mà lưới chơi nhóc chỉ tôi mà lưới thế cái ổ về nó lâu chỉ tụ ổ nó hết cái phone giờ lấy vô cái vô ổ lên nha nó chỉ cho cái lâu rồi không bỏ nó cái trong này trong cái pu bắc cử giờ ta tỏ cho trong hộp ly không thế nhon đốt ly nè bây giờ ít bớt tới tôi cái nào cái trong tiệt tiệt cái nó mình chỉ mua mắm lư sao búp búp mà lư thực kỷ nhau tàu cá xía cơ nhớ bị té nữa ha cứ chia ra bị té cái nhà nhớ như đấy đấy nhưng spray nhưng bỏ cho nên bờ mình chỉ đấy tí chim bông đi mông sao từ sắp bị nó là dùng mông họ sắp bị bay nó là mông để mua cho apple thì cho pear cái gì mà lư ta tàu lò thế thực kiểu nhớ tuần gì mong mà lư thế tàu cá xía cơ quá sao đây mình nó nương ai dầm balloon cho nó nghe trong balloon tao
I don't think you need to hook that on, do you?
Oh, I hay gì tiền.
That side right there. I think you guys can stop right.
Ito na ako stage. Ay, siyang coca. Ito na yun dun sa ito ba? Cứ một nó một trong cứ một nó trên decoration trên trong một nó rồi bên nó hôm giờ hôm nay họ nói trong có cầm nhỉ chọn tủ
Okay.
bên nhau nửa rong bên bọn nó chẳng lại rồi rong cô chết tiệt it's the northern light
It's a U right now.
because we're too low we're too south if you were more north you could bỏ trong door
왜 이제 갖고 둬요?
Muốn gặp quý cái phỏ.
cái sẽ biết tụi khai yêu hiếm biết tụi xin bảo
We can never.
look at my son eating donut bé là hỗ trợ mà nó bé sữa sa bé là hỗ trợ
Dad would have been drinking. He would have been got like 5 of them beers in his pockets, ready to go.
Go hide it behind the porta potty.
can you learn the bench drink can you take a shot right
I guess.
yeah he gonna do a shot
You make toast now.
you want to make toast
Thank you for coming.
yeah
Thank you for being here. We're gonna have fun tomorrow. Cheers.
I asked you how was your first shot
This is not my first shot ever.
it's not
Oh?
you drink before
No, never.
seriously you drink before already
Yes, I did.
oh my god you drink alcohol or beer
So,
Yeah, that's why I'm like, I wouldn't be surprised.
you drink at her house she give you alcohol
Probably when your daughters was there too.
oh my god you guys bull
we all high school big Ghana, okay? So toxic you high school big guy also okay? But for those of you who don't know me, this is my husband, Janavi Guna. We are Sienna's mom and dad. The rest of my speech will be for Sienna and Balvini, okay? Sienna, I love you. You are the daughter I needed in my life. You are kind and you love your family. And that fills a void in my life. I remember when you were 11 or 12 years old and you told me that you have lipstick you took to school and you had to hide it from grandma. But that meant a lot to me that you shared that with me. And you said you could only put it on at school because grandma would not allow you to put it on. I also remember when you first told me about Vinny, you were so happy and you were so giggly. And I want you to always remember that you must remain happy and giggling with him. If you forget that, you forget your love, okay? And for Vinny, I just want to say, I remember when I first met you, you were so genuine. I also saw how you opened your heart to our whole family, all the brothers, all the cousins, the auntie, grandma, grandpa. Okay? I know that. And I appreciate that, okay? So your parents taught you very well, okay?
Well, everybody was second of all, over the year, Bây giờ bác ăn bây giờ nhớ nó xin là bác ăn đây. I'm excited for my future, and I appreciate every single one of you guys being here tonight. My beautiful wife, Sienna. Sienna, you know, she's a really kind and loving person. My life changed ever since I met her. Tears of joy, yeah, that. But just want to let you know that I'm excited for our future. You are with me with every step I take.
First and foremost, I want to say thank you to my school and young. Thank you for raising me and shaping me into the person I am today. Okay, so I'm very happy. On top of that, I want to say thank you to my dad and my stepmom, Cindy, for putting so much time and effort into our last but not least, my husband. Thank you for being patient with me. It is. Thank you for being patient with me even when I could be crazy. But I'm glad I have you as my husband. You're very kind and genuine and just very open to my family too. So for that, I'm grateful.
Jaden, I don't know ramen. Jaden, what are you eating?
I'll show you ramen.
It's gonna be good, huh? Yep.
Okay.
Not appetizer, huh?
Pure fun.
The ramen lo. Jaden, the ramen lo. Yummy, yummy. That's yours. How is it, Jaden? How's the shrimp? That's good. It's good too. Oh, tại ơn sẽ cá tiền tiêu. Thank you. Đã chấp lời. Chỉ cá tiền tiêu. Nó mỏ ta vậy bé là dùng bubble tea ho, bé là dùng tea. Bubble tea, but tea. Bé chỉ hồ tea, bé chỉ hồ bubble tea. Jaden, the milk tea, the passion fruit tea. Oh, shit, but I can't be fine. What chúng ta chỉ được phim bị nó. Giống như bé ngờ, giống này giống ha. Nhớ tôi cá xía cơ.